coming in 1991. So how many people are paid? Almost 100,000 people are paid for colonize, even for Ethiopian colonized. At this time, has in Eritrea dictator government. He is contact with Nigeria government. Our girls is look like Tulus is sell for them. We have more poor girls with us, without money, without nothing. But he is sell for them. He sell look like money, look like Tulus. Nigeria, you know Nigeria, almost Nigeria people are more dominant number from Africa. Why coming for Eritrean girls? Why coming of poor peoples? This is dominant number for Nigeria had discovered by in Eritrea people by Nigeria. Because our peoples are poor. Yeah, our girls are look like tourists are selling for Nigeria boy. Has more has more genocide. One genocide is for one peoples are started war. Second genocide is for one peoples are making uncivilized. Third genocide is when for one country is are selling their girl. Our girl or our mom is first are contact for good family for one country for one home. Without good woman, without good girls is in generation of one people or one country are not developed. At this time, Nigeria people are coming in our country. His contact with government of Eritrea, with contact with general of Eritrea, just still now how more people are selling. Look like to lose for Nigeria peoples of our girls. This is genocide. This is genocide, really genocide.
Afroki, we are talking about the problem in Africa. How girls is the problem? If one
just talking, our problem is all our versus solving about our problem.
Global, can you give me?
No. If the girl choose to support, it's a choice. You don't have to get carried.
You need to stop.
Wait one.
Hey, Afroki, just a minute. So Sadak, did you hear him say the Nigerian men taking the rich and girls is genocide? Did you?
Yes, they are making genocide.
This is
It's called love.
Let me ask you, Afroki.
Listen.
Wait once.
Yeah, we are a joke. Come on.
We are not baby. Wait once. Don't do now delete. Wait once. I'll finish. After I finish,
Why you say genocide?
Wait. I know them. I know.
Okay. Okay. So just a minute, please. So let's give him 1 minute, please. 1 minute to land. Then afterwards, Nathan, because you wanted to say something. I don't know if it's regards what he said earlier, but yeah, let him land. Then you go ahead. So go ahead, Afwaki. Just 1 minute.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, wrap up your point.
Really, I will talk in reality. I'm not talking false. When one country girl or one country family or girls or mom, when are making look like self-mentation or bad action look like bitch, this is contact with genocide. Really, Eritrean girls not born from Nigeria. Really, they are not like them. Really, not for family, only for sex. This is, one country when they are killed of mom or girls as finished. Whereas girls are teaching for look like bitches finish. This is a big genocide. War is not only war genocide. War is good.
Okay. So yeah, Afwaki, thanks so much. So Getch, I'll bring you in, but yeah, don't worry. So the man said a lot of Egyptian girls, they act
What did he
sexually.
smoke before he joined the life?
sexually loose. Hey, hold it. Just a minute. Hold it. Stay grateful. Just a minute. So the man said basically.
Wait, what? كلكم stop genocide Nigeria over Eritrean people. Stop. Stop.
Can I say something to that statement though?
Why you think genocide?
Yeah, you look in.
This is racism.
We know Nigeria. Nigeria people are not good.
You spread.
Like that.
You
We
spread.
have not go with them.
You spread.
Yeah, developed country is not
let me
good.
have-
Like only Nigeria is look like beach. We know them.
Let me have Nathan please.
Stop.
Let's go to the. Okay, thank you. Let's go to another one.
Stop Nigeria.
Global,
continue.
please, give chance. I'm gonna explain everything about this guy. So can you give me the chance to talk, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
He can explain himself. Don't explain about him.
Okay. I'm gonna explain myself because yeah. Actually, I'm Nathan. I'm from Eritrea. You know, this man he bringing haters for Eritrean people because the way he's talking he was talking about hate about the Nigerian boys or the Nigerian man. So because